What's going on, everyone? My name is Tom from Dreadlabs, and today I'm going to show you 5 resource websites in no particular order.
Dreadlabs.
Okay, so what are resource websites? Well, if you're a designer like me and you're lazy, you might have seen people scanning in their own textures or not photoshopping their own mockups, and that's all fine, but it just takes a lot of time. So to increase your speed in this process, a lot of websites and designers are giving away or selling resources to you. May that be vector graphics, mockups, texture packs, whatever basically. So today I just wanted to show you 5 of these websites in no particular order, but yeah, just to inspire you, check them out, and you might even consider buying something. So let's go to the first one. Okay, so the first one, it's not a real one, it's not on the list, but we at Dreadlabs also have a website for this with some drum samples for musicians, some album cover mockups, a goodie pack with 3D renders, plastic textures, basically some tape, some scanned, some smaller scanned blades, just a lot of stuff. Then we have some 3D render packs, some layer styles, which are for free, and some vector shapes. So you can check these out at dreadlabs.net. Let's go on to the actual first one. So let's start with the big giant that you might have already heard of, called Black Market. Black Market is this really cool website with a lot of versatile resources for graphic designers, from PNG assets to textures to Photoshop actions, to one-on-one tutoring, and even some plugins. For example, you can use this one, the monitor, where you can watch YouTube videos inside your Photoshop program, which is really handy if you don't have a second monitor. Then they have like stickers, they have mockups of all kinds, so I highly suggest to check them out. So let's go on to the next one. So the next one is GFX Database. GFX Database is kind of the same as Black Market. I stumbled across this I think when I was on some Discord server. But these guys also have like a lot of texture packs, markings. There's really a lot going on this website. Really some futuristic cool stuff to use in your designs. So I would highly recommend to check this out and see, because there are some quality assets to be found in here. Third one is Studio Yorktown. They do have their own website, but there's a lot more for sale on their creative market page. So these guys have the best quality mockups that I've seen on the internet so far. And that's because they combine it with so many realistic features that is just crazy to see. If you want to display your work in the most realistic way possible, I highly recommend to go with Studio Yorktown. So this is one of their packages that I own, and it's not even that expensive, but it's just a high resolution jewel case mockup with tons of different features, and it's just so realistic. So I really do recommend, if you want to go for realism, to go with this website. Then we have one that I also found on Creative Market, which is called Boulderia1 Studio. I think I butchered that name. Anyway, they also have like so they do have a lot of mockups and texture packs, as you can see, and also just some really cool like plastic detailed works basically. So yeah, this is one of those websites that has a lot of versatile products, so even some freebies in there. So I do highly recommend checking this website out and consider buying something on it. Then finally, another giant in our community, I think. So this is the store of Album Art Archive. You might have seen them on Instagram already because they share some really cool art, and it's one of the biggest inspiration pages on Instagram at the moment. But yeah, they do sell a lot of cool assets as well. So for example, they do fabric textures, abstract gradients, vector packs, layer style packs. They even sell some real life stickers, I see now. So they have some really cool assets going on in their web shop. So I highly suggest you go check them out and see what you can make of them. So yeah, this was another quick video, but if you're interested in checking any of these mockups, their links to them will be on the description here. Let me know if you need any more resource websites, because I do want to share all of my knowledge with you guys. So if you have any suggestion for a top 5 video or any other video, please let me know in the comments or join us on Discord, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.